warning for...
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, western Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Andover, or 19 miles south of Ashtabula, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Meadville, Andover, Linesville, Harmonsburg, Adamsville, Pymatuning North, Pymatuning Central, Atlantic, Roaming Shores, Sagertown, Cherry Valley, Conneautville, Conneaut Lake, Jamestown, Venango, Woodcock, Conneaut Lakeshore, Geneva and Hartstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.